Zach Detmore here with another organization video talking this week about bathroom renovations. And one of the things I always had an issue with bathroom renovations was I would sort of know what I had to buy before the job, and I would buy maybe 50% of it. And then there would be what seemed to be a trip to the lumber yard once a day for these stupid piddly items. So one day I decided to do something and make a list of all the rough materials I'd used in the past. And then when I sold a bathroom renovation, when we would go there the first day to start and lay down floor protection, what we would do is pull up this list on our phone and run through it and say, okay, we need one of these, two of these, four of these, call the lumberyard, get the delivery for the next day. We could load that job up when it was in the demolition phase. While the demo company was up there, we could get everything staged and ready. And it really helped. And how I made this list was I went through all of my receipts from a one bathroom renovation and saw all the little pieces that went into that one, and then I gradually added onto it over the years. But it was never supposed to be something formal. It was certainly nothing I planned on sharing, but figured I would share a copy. You can of course add to it, but it's really more about the concept, learning how I made it and how it was beneficial, and then sort of using that concept for your business. But if you want the file itself, it'll be on my website, detmore.com, under the resources tab, and you can download a copy. So let's take a look at it. Put it up here, Zach, right? Ba-ba! Cool, right? Technology. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm pretty cool with that. All right. So in a nutshell, it's just a long list of materials. The prices I put in a long time ago, so I'm sure they're not accurate anymore. But you can add your own numbers. Obviously, they'll change in different countries and different municipalities. But MDO, shiplap, Bondo, drywall, electrical boxes. I'm not an electrician, but sometimes I'd buy the boxes for the electrician so I could put them in the correct location. So that's why those are on there. Or electrician's just a little disorganized maybe, and you want to make sure that everything's there, and a box is, usually less than $50, so sometimes it's worth having the right thing on the job and not delaying a timeline, because on bathroom renovations, timeline is everything. If the electrician can finish a job in a day, it's way better than 2 days if they have to run and buy a box. So yeah, vent fans and vents, expanding foam insulation, nail plates, PVC pipe. Once again, I'm not a plumber, but I do know that a good organized plumber is going to show up and do it in a day. A disorganized one might be missing that one fitting that adds a day or several days onto your project. So I don't think it's a great idea as a general contractor to bring every plumbing piece that a plumber might need, but there are certain things that could be important, like shark bite caps, or the little compression fittings that fit over leaky shutoff valves. Those are things that general contractor might want, because you might cut through a pipe accidentally and be able to want to just push that shark bite fitting on while the plumber's showing up. So yeah, I've got Curdy board and Weedy and the sealant and Vicor flashing. That's if I wanted to make a quick windowsill, I've got Anderson windows and Dorwin windows. Basically, something to think of before you're estimating the job. Run through this. Oh, right, I do need to order windows. I do need to order some flashing tape. Bosch tile bits. You can break tile bits drilling through tiles. So there's a lot of useful things. So, it's not the most technically advanced spreadsheet, but hopefully it's a little list that helps you be a little more profitable and organized on your next bathroom renovation. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow me on Instagram at Detmore101 and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these organizational videos. Hit that bell to see the next one. See you next time. Bye!